Hello guys, Toaster here, and today I'm going to be doing Redstone tutorial number 2. Okay, today we're going to be learning how to make an RS latch, and by we I mean you. Okay, this is mine, this is the one that I use. Basically make an upside down L. I'm going to show it off a little bit. Bam. And then you're going to put redstone torch up here. Redstone torch down here, redstone across the top, and to test if it's going the right way, then you basically put a button here, and then you click it. Okay, so this is the right one. Okay, now you're gonna run redstone up to it. This is basically how to make a, basically you press a button, it starts something, and then press another button to reset it. So this is how mini games use reset buttons. Basically a ton of RS neural latches. So you're gonna need a redstone repeater to hook up this so the redstone doesn't get messed up there. And now then you are going to make the redstone come around, or whatever you're gonna do with it. Then you're gonna put one of those there. And then I'll just put a piston. So here you go. When you press this, it'll stay like that. When you press that, it'll go down. And if you do this, there's a way to make it. This is how you make pistons stay up longer. Okay, basically, if you want a piston to stay up for a long amount of time, then you are going to want to do this with one button, and then coming out from the side here, you're going to make a long delay, or as long as you want. And then you're going to hook it up to this thing. Now when you press it, it'll go up, and then it'll go back down. Basically, it's setting and then resetting on its own. So, yeah. Pretty simple little mechanism there. And, thanks for watching. This was Toasty, by the way, if you didn't know, because you can't hear and you're deaf, and somehow you're still listening to this. Then, bye.